On the first day of each month, Ripple is known to release 1 billion of its XRP through an escrow system. This is a monthly occurrence. Therefore, on January 1, 2024, Ripple will unlock 1 billion XRP through 3 transactions with a total value of $620 million. These transactions will consist of 100 million, 400 million, and 500 million XRP. The unlocking of 1.8% of the circulating supply. It is interesting to note that the unlocking that will take place on the first day of the new year will correspond to 1.84 of the present supply of 53 billion XRP that is in circulation, as well as 2% of the remaining 45 billion XRP for which Ripple is in charge. This process of unlocking will continue until May of 2027. In addition, the process of unlocking 3 locks that are stored in 2 wallet addresses that are closely monitored will be finished in the final moments of the year 2023. For example, the lock on the wallet address that is labeled Ripple will be unlocked in November 2019, which will result in the release of 500 million XRP that was previously locked. Furthermore, the locks on 100 million and 400 million XRP, which were locked in December and November 2019 correspondingly, at the wallet address called Ripple will be freed. These locks were locked in December and November of 2019. A total of 2 billion XRP is stored in these 2 wallet addresses, and it is scheduled to be released over the course of the next 2 months until March 1, 2024. When one examines the procedure that Ripple followed in order to unlock 1 billion XRP at the beginning of this month, it is observed, as was anticipated, that the lock on 1 billion XRP was released in the month of December. Ripple has relocked a total of 800 million XRP into the escrow system, which will be finished in April and May of 2027. This represents 80% of the total amount of XRP that has been unlocked. It is noteworthy that the corporation was able to release 310 million XRP worth $192 from its primary wallet address, which was referred to as Ripple in December, despite the fact that it only held 200 million XRP. A total of 4 transactions were carried out each week for the sales, and all of the XRP that was left over was returned to the respective wallet address. Ripple One replenished its reserves with 200 million XRP in the month of December. Additionally, on December 6 and 12, the payment protocol carried out 2 transactions totaling 60 million XRP each, and on December 20, it carried out a single transaction totaling 120 million XRP. On December 27, a last transaction involving 70 million XRP was brought to a successful conclusion. The escrow system built by Ripple for XRP in 2012, Ripple introduced XRP, which had a total quantity of 100 billion, which led to the development of the escrow system that the company uses. The corporation gave 20 billion of this supply to the people who were responsible for creating the coin, as well as the core staff. The remaining 80 billion XRR were under the custody of Ripple's treasury, which also made a commitment to release these coins not all at once, but rather in stages. Ripple introduced a new mechanism in 2017 with the intention of ensuring that the release of XRP into the market was carried out in a manner that was more predictable and under someone's control. Through the utilization of escrow wallets and the implementation of a smart contract, this method renders XRP inaccessible to users unless specific conditions are satisfied. The criterion that Ripple must fulfill is to unlock 1 billion XRP on the first day of each month for a period of 55 months. However, despite the fact that 1 billion XRP is released every month, Ripple merely spends or sells a portion of them. Ripple claims that the remaining monies are in the process of being relocked into new escrow wallets in preparation for future releases. The 55-month process that was established for all XRP to begin entering circulation is continuously extended as a result of these periodic locking. On the other side, these sales are producing a large rate of supply inflation on XRP. This is due to the fact that the unlocked coins are consistently entering circulation at the beginning of each month. When viewed from this perspective, Ripple possesses the inherent ability to directly influence the economic dynamics, future price, and value of its own coin. An update on the price activity of XRP, the native token of the Ripple system, was published by cryptocurrency analyst Lord Crypto earlier this week. In the first post that he made, Lord Crypto mentioned that the price of XRP had been rejected from the 64 cents resistance level and had fallen below the 58 cent support line. While Lord Crypto maintained his optimism on the long-term potential of XRP, he stated that Ripple's prospective huge stake in the global CBDC scene, which is estimated to be worth approximately $5 trillion, makes XR a gift at these levels. As a result of our collaboration with more than 20 banks on CBDC initiatives, it is just a matter of time before we see the demand for XRP reflected on the chart. Digital currencies issued by central banks. Ripple's participation in projects using central bank digital currency, Betty, was identified by the analyst as a significant factor that will fuel future demand for XRP. CBDCs are digital equivalents of fiat currencies that are issued by the government, and it is predicted that the entire addressable market is greater than $5 trillion by this point. In order to build CBDC solutions that make use of the XRP ledger, Ripple has formed partnerships with more than 20 banks and other financial organizations. The increased usability and adoption of XRP could be a significant benefit to the cryptocurrency as more CBDCs are introduced around the world. It is possible that the price of XRP will reflect this potential rise in real-world usage over the course of a longer period of time. Display more information, bearish sentiment. In the short term, XRP is currently experiencing a bearish feeling, as Lord Crypto acknowledged in his subsequent post for the cryptocurrency. In his explanation, he pointed to a recent transfer of 47 million XRP coins to controlled exchanges as the source of this negative sentiment. A recent transfer of 47 million XRP tokens to centralized exchanges is the source of the gloomy attitude that has been enveloping the cryptocurrency known as XRP, according to the researcher. When significant quantities of a cryptocurrency are transferred to exchanges, it may be an indication that the holders intend to sell the cryptocurrency. It is common for market sentiment to be dampened when there is an influx of prospective selling pressure. Lord Crypto, on the other hand, pointed out that despite the bearishness, the price of XR continues to cling to an upward support level in the area of 60 cents. Price action that is anticipated following the conclusion of the analysis. The analyst made a prediction that the price of XRP might rise over the immediate resistance level within a couple of days, provided it continues to retain its support. Lord Crypto is of the opinion that XRP is capable of successfully overcoming the selling pressure in the short term, despite the fact that the transfer of 47 million XRP has recently exacerbated negative sentiment. In a recent statement, he mentioned that the potential function that the cryptocurrency will play in the global CBDC system in the future might potentially create significant utility and user acceptance over the longer term. As Ripple continues to extend its relationships and use cases, XRP has a great potential for growth over the long run. Despite the fact that price swings over short periods of time are unavoidable, the fundamentals look to be favorable for Ripple's native asset. In order to reveal probable patterns before substantial price moves, JD draws connections between the current sentiments and the sentiments for the year 2017. The technical indicators for XRP provide a mixed picture, with a bullish make but a bearish stochastic, which indicates that the market is uncertain.